everybody. Today we're going to look at our all-new non-CDL Hotshot trailer. This trailer is pretty cool. Comes standard with the toolbox up front. This is our new Army green color. Very nice. Something a little different. Standard, we put slide tracks going down the full length of the trailer. We have 10 ratchet straps on both. Make it super easy to strap it down. It's got a step on it. Standard, this trailer comes with two 7,000-pound axles. We can go 2/8. But we don't put 2 10s on this because that's a step up and you got to have your Class A license. We're trying to make a trailer, if you're just wanting to get into hot shotting and you don't want to go through the process of getting a Class A license, this is the trailer for you right here. Standard, we put monster ramps on this. This specific model, we only make it in 40 foot. It has a standard torque tube on the back. Even though it's a lighter trailer, it makes it where it doesn't twist near as much. This is just a great all-around light duty 40-foot flatbed. We should be having one of the dealers near you. If you need anything or have any questions, give us a call, don't hesitate. If there's something you don't see on it, you would like to see on it, we're very open on adding special features to it. Any custom options you want, just let us know. But yeah, they should be at a dealer near you. Thank you.